The Tax Justice Network Africa and Katiba Institute have filed a constitutional petition against 10 double taxation agreements signed by the Kenyan government. The petition coming on the backdrop of a recent global illicit financial expose, which they say implicates some Kenyan companies who took advantage of the double taxation agreements. Faizal Ahmed has more on this story.
In the petition, the civil society organizations argue that the agreements have enabled tax evasion in the country, depriving the taxman of the much-needed resources. In their constitutional petition filed today, Tax Justice Network Africa and Katiba Institute want Kenya to abolish agreements signed with Iran, Kuwait, Seychelles, South Africa, Qatar, Korea, the United Arab Emirates, India, the Netherlands and Mauritius.
And we feel that many of these treaties are opening up the country for tax abuse, for aggressive tax avoidance, usage particularly by unscrupulous multinational companies and corrupt political elite that are using some of these tax havens to ensure that they are not paying their rightful share of tax here in Kenya.
According to TJNA, some of the common taxes avoided by some companies include capital gains tax, taxes on royalties, management tax and interest repayments. But what sort of implications does this have on the country?
If the court was to assent to our request, we feel that this will really significantly contribute to the tax collection that the Kenyan government is collecting annually, because, as I said earlier, many of these treaties are actually being abused because of particular provisions in those treaties that encourage companies to shift their profits that they should be paying here in the country and shifting those profits offshore. So if those profits were rightfully taxed here, of course, the Kenya Revenue Authority will be able to collect much more than what it's collecting now.
The group also singles out Seychelles, South Africa, Netherlands and Mauritius as countries notorious for extensive tax haven jurisdictions. Recently, a global illicit fund expose dubbed Fins and Files pointed out how this emerging double taxation agreements network is aiding money laundering and other illegal activities that harm the Kenyan economy. At least 43 companies and individuals have been named in the leaks, consisting of financial records submitted by the United States Department of Treasury to the tune of 6 trillion shillings. Faizal Ahmed, Citizen TV,